Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. I am an injury lawyer. I own my own law firm, Ethen Ostroff Law, and my own operational consulting firm called Turnkey Ops. My job is to make sure that your future injury case is protected. Today we're going to talk about breaking a bone and what that means for your injury case. But before I get to that, click that subscribe button below. Follow me along where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected, because guess what? No one ever imagines being an injury plaintiff. So, broken bone, what next? If you broke a bone in some sort of situation that was not your fault, or you think was not your fault, because guess what? People often think that they're not at fault, and just because they think that they might be at fault, they don't ask a lawyer questions. Guess what? Personal injury lawyers work for free unless they get you paid. There's no harm in asking your questions if you think you might not be at fault. So, situation, you probably aren't at fault. You fall, you break a bone. You get in a car accident, you break a bone. What is the difference between breaking a bone or just some sort of whiplash or some sort of other smaller, I'll call it smaller damage? Really, when you break a bone, you enter into a new, I would call it stratosphere of case in the eyes of the insurance companies that are negotiating. They put your case in a different category of reserve, because when you get hurt and you file a claim, or you hire a lawyer and they file a claim on your behalf with an insurance company, they look at what happened and they set an amount of money that they might have to pay you. If you have a broken bone, that makes that amount of money a little bit bigger in that reserve. So when you get hurt and you break a bone, your case is worth more than if you got hurt and your damages were something along the lines of a strain, a sprain, or some sort of just general muscular issue where you don't tear a muscle like a torn quad or something like that. Breaking a bone is another category of case that if that happens, you can know that your case at least has relatively substantial value, more than just some sort of sprain or strain. So if you did break a bone in a car accident and a trip and fall, you might as well just get your questions answered, because it is free to go through that evaluation. If you have any questions, make sure to follow along, hit that subscribe button. If you ever have any issues, go to my site. I'm happy to be there for you. Thanks so much.